Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the crank mechanism past paper question. As you can see here, we have our OA and we have our BQ, and we also have our AB section. As you can see, the dimensions are already in place. So this is our model that we have to demonstrate what is going on. So this between here, as you can see, is 90 degrees. Now the question says that line OA is moving in an anti-clockwise direction, and if we were to trace the point, which is right here, point P, as it moves along, or as OA moves in an anti-clockwise direction, and we were to mark the points at various stages, we'll see that those points will start to form a graph or a loci. All right, as you can see, it's continuing and continuing until we get to a point where it can't move any further. At that point, we have maxed out on the rotation and it can't go any further. It can't go any further anti-clockwise direction. All right, and as you can see, the path that was traced. Now, if we were to change the direction and start to move in the, we'll see something else. But as you can see here, when we trace the point from P1 all the way up to P6, when we draw a line through those points, you realize that it forms our expected locus. Now, if we were to move in an anti-clockwise direction, in a clockwise direction rather, and we trace that point along, you'll see that it starts to form a different shape. All right, so as you can see, it will get to another point where it can't move any further. So if we were to draw a curve or a line through those points, we'll see that it forms a curve that is somewhat different from what was above, because it started off very straight and then it had a simple curve. So as we walk through these stages, I want you to go ahead, leave a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.